In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Constant Contact Beginner's tutorial. So if you're actually a beginner who want to use Constant Contact, then just follow this. First, head over to constantcontact.com, input right here your email address that you wish to use, and click on this Get 14 Days Free in order to get a free trial of Constant Contact. Once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to access your dashboard. But if you already have an account, just proceed to click on this login. So here is my dashboard on Constant Contact. You can see right here that you have a lot of things to do. We have in here the completing profile, adding your contacts, creating an email, running some campaigns, as well as a lot of templates that you can choose from. You can also see that we have in here a left sidebar, wherein you can see in here the campaigns, the channels, audience, assets, reporting, automations, and integrations. For example, let's try to create an email. Click on this emails option, or you can also just choose from the templates that we actually show or we actually see earlier. Into this part, you can actually explore in here and track some campaigns. You can see some tips and tricks as well. Let's proceed to click on this create an email option. In here, you can actually just start from blank, convert to PDF format, build with HTML, or also choose from templates available right here. You can choose from branded templates, industry, featured, and you can also generate emails through AI. For example, let's choose right here some templates for a sale. You can find them right here. So for example, we have a back to school sale or a coupon. Let's head over and click on select right here in order to choose that particular template. So here we have it. You can just make some tweaks with it and edit it using the blocks, images, and designs. But once you're done, you can proceed to click on continue and send out this email to other people. So that's how you use Constant Contact Beginners tutorial. Hope we helped.